In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate data scraping of businesses on Google Maps with Gumloop AI. We'll start inside Gumloop by logging into your account, creating a new flow, and giving that workflow a clear name. Choose something simple and descriptive, like a Google Maps business scraper, so it's easy to recognize later. Once that's done, open the workflow editor. This is where you'll build the automation and connect each part of the process together. Next, define your search query. Before collecting any data, decide exactly what kind of businesses you want to find. This could be something like dentists in a major city, coffee shops in a specific area, or marketing agencies in another location. A helpful way to make this workflow reusable is to create an input field for the search query. That way, instead of rebuilding the automation every time, you can simply change the business type or location whenever you need a new list. After that, add a Google Maps search step. Depending on what's available in your Gumloop workspace, this might be a Google Maps node, a browser automation step, or another data retrieval method. Here, you'll provide the search keyword, the city or location, and the number of results you want to retrieve. For example, you might search for roofing companies in Dallas, Texas. Setting this up carefully helps ensure the results are relevant and consistent. Once the search is working, configure the workflow to extract the business information you need. Common fields include the business name, address, website, category, rating, review count, and the Google Maps URL. The exact fields available will depend on the method you're using, so it's a good idea to review what your selected node can return. Now add a loop or iterator node so Gumloop can process each business one by one. This is what turns a single search into a scalable workflow. Instead of manually opening every listing, the automation moves through the search results and extracts details for each business individually. If you want deeper research, you can optionally visit each business website. From there, extract additional publicly available information such as services, about page content, social media links, or general contact details. Be sure to only collect information that is publicly available and relevant to your use case. From there, clean and structure the data. Use transformation nodes to remove duplicates, standardize formatting, organize fields into columns, and make the output easier to work with. If needed, you can also send the business information to an AI node for optional lead qualification, categorization, service summarization, or lead scoring. Finally, export the results to a tool like Google Sheets, Airtable, Notion, a CRM, or a database, then automate the workflow to run daily, weekly, monthly, or on demand so your research stays up to date.